Hey you guys, it's Courtney, and today I'm going to show you an easy go-to stretch routine of mine, and this is something that I do even if I don't work out that day. So to start this off, I'm going to go ahead and bring my legs down and bring my hands back, and then with my feet, I'm just going to point and flex and really get that stretch in that calf muscle. And you can alternate to bring your hands up and over a little bit. You don't have to go too down if that's uncomfortable for you. But if you can go lower, that's totally cool. But I think I just want to make this a little easy stretch routine for today. So I'm just going to pulse here instead of going all the way down. And then you can flex your feet and try to do it again. And point. And bring my hands down. I'm going to go ahead and bring my right leg over my left and bring it up here. Kind of getting myself situated and feeling that in my right leg here. Just gonna stay here for a little bit. You can even rock side to side. And see if you can go a little bit deeper without hurting yourself. And bring that down. Right here, you can go a little bit over. Bring yourself over without arching your back too much. You don't want to go like that. So I like to make sure that my hands are behind my back sometimes so I'm not compromising my back and arching it forward. And then we're going to go ahead and shake that out and bring our left leg over our right. And then go ahead and bring your right leg forward towards your chest. My left leg is a little bit more tighter than my right, so I'm gonna stay here a little bit more longer than I would on the other side. And I'm just gonna go back and forth. Kind of going deeper and bringing my body a little bit more towards my legs. And then rocking side to side again. I'm going to go ahead and bring my right leg down and kind of push my body towards my legs. I'm trying to make sure that my back is still straight and not too arched, but you can also arch over a little bit if you'd like to get a deeper stretch, but I kind of want to make sure that my back is straight because that helps me. And you can pulse. If you guys have seen my other videos, then you know that I like to pulse. It really helps me so my body is not stagnant. I kind of don't like just holding it sometimes. Sometimes I do if it really feels good, but most of the time I like to kind of pulse into stretches. But you can stay stagnant if you'd like and kind of feel that. And then I'm going to go ahead and bring my left leg down. Bring my arms back. And point and flex again. Point and flex. And shake out my legs. So from here, I'm going to bring my left leg in and turn facing forward. So I'm bringing my left leg close to my body and my right leg out diagonally. I'm kind of adjusting to what feels comfortable for me, so you can adjust to what feels comfortable for you. And I'm just gonna stay here a little, going side to side, kind of feeling how my body feels right now. And I'm gonna bring my arms out and go over, feeling the stretch in my legs, in my back. You can flex your foot and grab it if you'd like, or you can point your toes. I like to do a combination of both. So sometimes you'll see me flexing my foot and grabbing it, see if I can go lower, or touching my heels, whatever is personal preference to you. I like to do a combination of things a lot. And I'm gonna go ahead and get up and then go down one more time to see if you can go a little farther. And stay here. You can also turn your body towards your foot instead of going to the side, and seeing if you can get a little deeper stretch, not just in your leg, but in your back. And so now I'm gonna go over, do a little butterfly to transition here, and pulse here with my legs towards me. Okay, now move my body to the right here, bringing my right leg towards my body and my left leg diagonal again, and kind of going side to side here, feeling how my body feels. Making sure that I'm not lifting my hips. And then now, go ahead and lift your hands up and over. Really getting that stretch in there. Pulsing because I love to pulse, or you can just stay stagnant and see if you can go a little deeper the next time. I'm gonna bring my body up and then go down again. This really feels good for me because my left side's always more tight, so I like to spend a little bit more time again here. And then now I'm gonna bring my body towards my foot and go down here and feel it on my back. And then again, you can flex your foot and grab if that feels a lot better. You can just stay with your pointed toes, whatever feels good for you. I like to do both again. I'm just kind of rocking my body here. Just pointing and flexing. And again, you can bring your arms up and see how much lower you can go your second time. And just wait here. For this stretch, I didn't do it the first time, but I can show you another stretch that you can do in this position. Just leaning forward here, you can do that as well. I know I get really tight hamstrings, so stretching like this helps me. So now I'm gonna go ahead and twist my body in the beginning position that we were in, and bring my right leg down again, my left leg over, and twist my body. So you can go as far back as you want to. You can bring it forward again and see if you can go a little bit further without hurting yourself. And then I'm gonna go ahead and bring my leg down, shake out my knees and my legs and do the same thing on the right side, making sure that my posture is straight, my body isn't leaning over, and my spine is nice and straight and there's no arch here. And now I'm gonna go ahead and bring that down, shake it out. I'm gonna turn over and do my butterfly again, just for a second. Gently going up and down, forward and back, making sure that you sit on your sits bones. So a good way of knowing if you're sitting on your sits bones at home is if there is a mirror that you have and you can put it on the floor in front of you. If you bring out your feet and your legs open, you can see if there's an arch or if there's not an arch where your booty meets the floor. And if there is an arch, then you might not be sitting on your sits bones all the way. You may not be able to sit on your sits bones, and that's totally fine. You can work your way up to there. And now I'm gonna go ahead and twist my body to the right here. So I'm gonna twist my body here, bringing my legs close to myself, and I'm gonna stand up to a little mini squat. And I'm gonna sit here for a little bit. This feels really good for me. And to finish this little mini stretch off, I'm gonna bring my legs up and I'm gonna leave these guys arched right here because this feels really good for me and I kind of wanna make this a good simple routine. I'm gonna go ahead and bring my head down, going side to side here. And I'm gonna roll over and arch my body. You can bring your legs straight. You can bring your knees arched. Again, I like to do variations, so I'm just going to do this for a little bit. And then go back down. So now going back in this little squat, I'm gonna stay here for a second to see how my body feels. And then when I'm ready, and when you're ready, just kind of bring your booty down to the mat, shake out your legs again. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like these videos, give it a thumbs up and comment down below what else you'd like to see. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I'll see you in the next video.
Be sure to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss my videos. Follow us on social media for giveaways and daily inspiration. This video is brought to you by our generous patrons and channel members.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psychetruth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts. Start your 14-day free trial today by clicking the link below.